Hi guys, welcome to the second lesson of the mini course Introduction to Web Development. Today we're gonna talk about the backend side of web applications. Let's get back to the picture with the client-server architecture schema. I've grouped here all the elements related to a backend part, API level, server itself, and a database. It's a very basic configuration. In real projects, the backend part contains much more different layers, but let's keep it simple for now and consider these three parts only. I will start with the server. What is it? In scope of modern web development, server usually means a physical machine, computer, or some virtual machine running in a cloud. Cloud-based hosting is getting very popular now, and almost all big projects I know are running there. But you might think of a server as a usual workstation with some operational system installed on it. Now let's move to another part called here API. It's usually a web application written on one of the server-side programming languages. As I mentioned in previous video, it might be PHP, C#, Python, JavaScript using Node.js or another one. This application is also called a web server. Please don't be confused here and remember that there is a server machine and a web server application running on it. This web server application, which is also called API, is responsible for handling different kind of HTTP requests to the server and executing different functions depending on requests parameters. When those functions are running, they often communicate to database and do some business logic before responding back to the client side. The database itself can be located on the same server machine or accessible remotely. The application can access a database, sending queries to it and receiving a response with the data then. There are many types of database, but in the web development, most widely used two types, relational and non-relational databases. Relational databases mostly using SQL language for writing queries. That's why they also called SQL databases. You can think of such database as a set of usual tables with rows and columns. Most popular SQL databases are MySQL, PostgreSQL, Oracle. Non-relational databases are also called NoSQL, and their architecture is different. You could think of it as a set of JSON objects called documents. The most popular NoSQL database at the moment is MongoDB, but there are some others, for instance CouchDB. Work of backend developers normally requires more deep knowledge of infrastructure, network communication, and programming algorithms compared to the front-end development. So, that's all for now. In next video, we will do a short review of front-end part and its specificity. Stay tuned with JavaScript Room, share this video and the course with your friends, and please feel free to give a like and comment. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.